So I'm going to put these on today. I think I'm starting to suspect that some of the compost I've been starting my stuff in has been, I don't know, you hear of weed killers in manure and stuff like that, and it's possibility, because these have been growing for ages and they hardly make any headway. These black peppers, but chilies. But I'm going to pot them on anyway, even though some are very small, and so that at least in my mind I know they're going to be okay. Similar to the ones I did on the other video, where I just changed the soil in them. And what we got on this one? Oh yeah, these are just some French marigolds that my home saved seeds that have popped up. I'll get them on. I'm very disappointed in the new shop bought nasturtiums. I think I put about 10 seeds in here and I've got 3 come up, and so 30% germination for shop bought seeds is pretty poor in my opinion. So here, most of those things I've just potted on, taken them out of the suspect compost, and they're looking a bit sad now, but they've all been top watered to make sure the roots are into the new soil, and I'm hoping that these will recover fine. I made sure there's no water on the leaves, and they're in better light here than they were at home, so I think I'm going to leave them here. So I'm sorting out the rainbows that I've fixed here now. The one on the end there has been just moved around the corner, so nothing's really happened to it. But I didn't have this blue one here until recently, but I did have the gutter up. But originally I wanted the gutter at the back there, and consequently I made the slope on the guttering towards the back. So now I've got to switch it over and change it to the front. Quick and easy job that was. Hopefully it'll next time it rains I'll be able to see it dripping out of there.